light falling on your skin, like a world I'm drifting in. Every glow a piece of you, shining through the midnight blue. We were floating out of time, no more yours and no more mine. Just a space we couldn't chart. Between the stars and your heart, that's exactly where we are. Every breath, every light, feels like we're beyond the night. We don't need the world below, we're already in the glow. If we fade into the dark, we were real right where we are. So clear, like I've always needed here. No more past and no regrets, just a feeling we protect. Even if it falls apart, I was yours beyond the stars. And I don't need to understand, was it fate or just a plan? All I know is what we felt was something nothing else could melt. Between the stars and your heart, that's exactly where we are. Every breath, every light, feels like we're beyond the night. We don't need the world below, we're already in the glow. We fade into the dark, we were real right where we are. If the stars all fade away, will your heart still let me stay? Or will I just drift alone in a sky I used to call home? Still, I still feel you. Your touch, it pulls me in like the tide. Your fingers tracing on my skin like a current pulling in. Every movement slow and light, feels like drifting in the night. The way you move I lose control, like the ocean takes my soul. Every breath you bring me close to a place I need the most. And I don't wanna fight this flow, every part of me just knows when you're here I'm not alone. I'm exactly where I'm from side to side. Every wave, every high keeps me falling every time. We don't need to say a word. In your arms I'm drifting slow. If I sink or if I rise, it's your touch that moves my life. If the ocean takes me deep, will you follow where I sink? Or will I just drift alone in love I can't outgrow? I still feel you in every way. The time moves on, but I still stay inside your touch. I drift away. Your touch, it pulls me in. Your touch, it pulls me in. It's quiet, but I still hear you. The room is empty, lights are low, but it don't feel like you're gone. Every corner, every space still remembers your shape. I hear echoes in the dark, like your voice inside my heart. Even silence feels too loud when your memory's around. And I try to let it fade, but it never goes away. Every night just pulls me through, back to everything we knew. The night still sounds like you in everything I do. Every breath, every move feels like I'm still with you. Even when I'm all alone, it still feels like you're home. No matter what I try to do, the night still sounds like you. The night sounds like you, sounds like you. Hold me tight. Your shadow lingers on the wall, like you never left at all. Every word we used to say still repeats in its own way. I don't need to close my eyes, you're still here in every line of the silence of the air. You're the feeling everywhere, and I don't know how to move on when the feeling's still so strong. Like the past won't let me through without bringing back you. The night still sounds like you in everything I do. Every breath, every move feels like I'm still with you. Even when I'm all alone, it still feels like you're home. No matter what I try to do, the night still sounds like you. If I learn to let you go, will the silence finally show something I can call my own? Or just leave me here